The next pair of angles are called alternate exterior angles, and at this point you can probably figure out why it's called that. Okay, so alternate again, meaning opposite sides of the transversal, and exterior meaning it's on the outside of the two lines. Okay, so for example, we would be talking about angle 1 and angle 8. They're alternate sides of the transversal because one is on the left of the transversal and angle 8 is on the right of the transversal, and they're outside of the two lines. So these would be on the inside of the two lines, and then everything outside of that would be on the outside of the two lines. And so the thing that you need to know about alternate exterior angles is that if the lines are parallel, then alternate exterior angles are congruent. And it also works the other way around. If the alternate exterior angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. Okay, so if we know that these two lines are parallel, then we know that angle 1 is going to be congruent to angle 8. And vice versa. If we know that angle 1 is congruent to angle 8, then you know that L and M are going to be parallel. Okay, there's another pair of alternate exterior angles in our example, and that would be angle 2 and angle 7. Okay, angle 2 is congruent to angle 7, again, only if the lines are parallel and also the other way around. And the reason alternate exterior angles are always going to be congruent follows a very similar reasoning to the alternate interior angles, but let's talk about it again just in case. So for example, if we have angle 1 to start off with, and let's say for example, it's 120 degrees. Okay, then again, because you know that corresponding angles are congruent, so angle 1 is corresponding to angle 5 because they have the same relationship to the two lines and the transversal, then you know that angle 5 is also going to be 120 degrees because corresponding angles are congruent when the lines are parallel. Okay, and angle 5 and angle 8 are vertical angles, which means that they're also going to be congruent. So this is also going to be 120 degrees. So that means that angle 1 and angle 8 are going to be congruent, and they're also exterior angles.